Welcome to Mrs. Novak's Hybrid Unit on Geometry. When you first come to the course site, you'll see this welcome page right here. Page just lets you know a little bit about what's going on and shows you a picture of me. Once you've read through the welcome page, you can go on to the standards and expectations. Here there lists the standards, expectations, and procedures for this course, basically letting you know what is expected of you and what you need to do to be successful in this course. The course is made up of 3 lessons. To begin, you can start with Lesson 1. Each lesson introduces you to the idea of the unit, then walks you through how to calculate each of the things. Finally, there's some videos or example problems for you to watch. Once you've gone through each of the lessons, you can go on to the assignment. There are usually 2 parts to each assignment. The first part is a practice. The practice just lets you try out your hand out at this, make sure you understand what you're doing. Once you feel comfortable with the practices, you can continue on to the assignments. Each assignment has you calculating the area, perimeter, surface area, or volume for some boxes and posting these to your blog. Along with each picture, you will need to post a reflection about what you learned through this process and when you think these things will be useful. Once you're done with each of the assignments, the final project is what the goal of the course is preparing you for. In your final project, you're going to need to take each of the assignments you did and combine them into a video project. Your video project will explain each of the pieces, how you calculated the perimeter, area, surface area, and volume for your box, and then you're going to need to estimate, if you were to paint your box, how much paint you think you would use and how much would be left over from whatever can of paint you decide. When you're done with this part of the project, you need to reflect on this entire process in your blog. What did you learn from this entire process? Was it difficult or complicated? When will you be using these ideas in the future? What about if you ever have to paint in the future? How much paint will you buy? Will you plan on having a lot extra, or will you be cutting it close? So this is a little bit of what to expect in Mrs. Novak's Hybrid Geometry Unit.